Good afternoon, or in this case, good evening. This is Alex Joseph, a CS student from Florida International University, as well as fellow presenter at CAC this semester. And this is one of the main project manager of WebChain. I'm here today to explain to you how to set it up, how to install it on your computer, how to get it running, operating at an efficient level. This video is here to provide step-by-step instructions with screenshots showing how the project should be installed, what configuration files must be unqualified based on the environments. Part 1 is the installation guide, and this is for Linux or Ubuntu in this case. Install the PostGRE on your platform. PostGRE SQL download our platform choice was Windows because support is much more readily available, and project based on Windows. It's on Windows, used by Windows, maybe on Windows computers. Mm-hmm. And part 2 is the guide. First we put up a command line to open the VS Code, so we can run the program or application on CMD. You see a command prompt, so you can run the code, put a command prompt, and use it to actually run it on CS Code, which in turn will allow us to actually run the code, run the program on not only HTML, CSS, or React, or any Edge browser. And once that was done, then you can see to actually run the code or run the application on Windows. And at this point, I think we all are come to the conclusion that this program is now running on Windows computers. It's actually operating on Windows computers. I did it before, and now I will believe that there will be no problems on this computer, and the application should be actually accessible to run on any platform regarding Windows computer. But we have more platforms than that. We have Ubuntu Linux computers and Mac-based computers. Those computers require different type of software and hardware to run this application. So I decided to branch out. And I was able to go for the installation guide for Linux Ubuntu PC 1 and 2 and 1 2 steps. First, you need to do the same thing. First, you need to do the same with Windows. Install or the same software in Windows. Install PostGRE on your platform from PostGRE SQL downloads. After installing it, run through the PostGRE PSQL command, and this will take you to the PSQL shell. These pictures create, and also by the way, the history created by this full ML schema will appear, and you'll get a stock error. But check the post. But if you want to make sure, check the PostGRE services is running on system CTL. That PostGREL should tell you if this computer the program is working or operating at a very different level. Then you must activate your virtual environment, and then after that you activate your virtual environment, update the PIP, the step tools, and wheel. But if you don't have those on your Ubuntu Linux system, you can use pip install, pip step tools, and wheel-u. Once those are installed, then you have to install the dependencies, which is basically the back end part of the project, and then your back end very first part of the project to work. While on our Windows computers, we can actually use Visual Studio Code to actually run the application, perform the application well, and so on and so forth. Ubuntu Linux require a lot more work, and also be more system and command based. It will require us to use different commands from different different sets of the operating system, which will allow us to actually run the computer, but in a more sophisticated way and a as manner. At that point, you'll be able to actually start the development system on Ubuntu Linux with ease. Now we go to the Mac setup. For that one, it's all code. Like you want to run an application, right? It's all code and run the following command to enable emulation from x86 xcode select install, which is the command that you must emulate in order to run the program. That's if you don't have a Windows 11, by the way. If you have Windows 11 or Windows 10, which will end support by 2025, then this program with running this application will be no problem. If you don't have it, best of luck for you to run it on Windows 11. or running as Windows computer on Mac. Second, you must go to the application from Windows to a Mac application so you can use it in Mac OS. And if you want to run this application on Mac, which you want to, use Mac OS Parallel to run this application. Once you've done the application running your congrats. Ha! It's fully on you. That was the basic setup. This is the original setup in the first place, which is to install Python, PIP, virtual environment, run the following commands, what's run the following commands in order to get the system to work. Install Python 3, version 3, by the way, that's the version you're supposed to install in order with the application. Run the first Python 3 command, second Python command, which you can install a virtual environment, and I'm going to go to the folder and create the virtual environment Python 3 to do the virtual environment command as well. That was an error. Oh my goodness, I wanted to remember this. Activate the virtual thread within your Python system on your Mac, and you'll be able to get it back and running. And now we get to the front end installation. Okay, the back end installation. And so I got from Mac OS X, which basically started the dependency similar to Python and get it back end ready. And now the back end ready to start from Python 3 management actually run the server. That means you can actually run the server onto the code similar to that you use with the Visual Studio Code. And now for the front end installation, you install curl, which you do, and get used to the update as well as your two other applications, and add a little repository in the curl as well, SSL. Once they're done, then you can navigate to the front end folder npm install for it, and you'll be ready to run the front application. Now you will start the application, and it'll be able to work. So that means, in this case, we now know that we run the application on all three main platforms, which in itself is impressive. Which will conclude my presentation. Goodbye.